Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lexi and today I recorded a complete disaster main floor clean with me. As you can see, the house kind of got out of hand over the last couple weeks.
And imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
I'm just going to start in the kitchen today by unloading and reloading the dishwasher. I like to get this done first thing in the morning. That way throughout the day I can just load up all the dishes and I don't have anything sitting in the sink.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
And you'll see me opening and shutting drawers and second guessing myself while I'm putting stuff away because we just moved in a couple months ago and I haven't quite decided where I like everything, and I pretty frequently forget where I've stuck stuff. So if anybody has any easy tips on how to organize when you can't reach most of the shelves, that would be great. Leave a comment or a message.
Pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
And none of our drawers are wide enough or tall enough because they added little sliding drawers in between the drawers. So we have our silverware stuck in this little pantry drawer. So I have to shut the dishwasher before I can even put the silverware away, which is really inconvenient, but I haven't quite found a better solution to that yet.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Now I'm gonna start putting stuff away that's on the counters to get ready to clean them. To clean them, I just use Mean Green. I got it at Walmart for a couple bucks.
I just need to clear my head, can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately.
I hate to admit this, but this is like one of 3 or 4 junk drawers I have in the house.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. Like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
This is my oldest, Cooper. He's fascinated by the camera, which you will see more of as you get farther along into the video.
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine.
And I'm just throwing these boxes in the garage because we break them down and either take them out with the trash or put them in the recycling later on in the week.
I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head.
Now I'm going to start moving shoes so I can sweep where the shoes are at currently. We haven't figured out where we like the shoes, where we don't. This is just convenient because we always leave out the garage door.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug.
And I'm just using the mean green again here for the table. This is just a $20 table we got off of Facebook Marketplace. We haven't decided if we're just gonna keep it how it is or if we want to repaint it, because we don't know how long we're really gonna keep it.
I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange.
I know you other moms can relate, but I feel like less than half of the food I serve the kids actually ends up in their mouth. I feel like the majority of it ends up on my floor.
Time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere, patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon. But I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to you. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me.
I told you earlier on that you would notice the kids being mesmerized by the camera. So they mess with it a little bit, which sets off the angle of most of this rest of the clip. But I figured I'd leave it because I thought it was kind of cute that they were so interested in what I was doing. And all this luggage and the pillow and blankets on the floor are actually Josh's. He stays at work, but he had something happen and he had to come home for a few days. So they're just sitting in the living room until he needs to use them again to go back. So I just set them aside. I put them on the fireplace where they're out of the way for the vacuum.
Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen, no. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean
I'm just gonna finish vacuuming up real quick, and then I'll show you an after shot of all that I cleaned. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll post videos pretty frequently. I haven't decided exactly what days, but I will keep you guys updated. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram as well at Hooked on Holloman.